Today we're going to make a classic Italian dish, spaghetti aglio olio with prawn and chicken. First, bring a large pot of cold water to a boil over high heat and then add some salt into it. Then add the spaghetti and cook it for about 9 to 10 minutes. We want it to be al dente. Reserve for about 1 cup of water and drain the pasta. Then set it aside. Pour olive oil. Add in thinly sliced garlics and fry it until it turns to golden brown. Add in chilli flakes and keep on stirring. Next, add in thinly sliced chicken fillets and let it cook. Add in prawns that has been cleaned, peeled and deveined. Close the lid and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the pasta water that we have reserved earlier. Sprinkle it with a little bit of salt and let it simmer. Next, add in the cooked spaghetti. Add in fresh flat leaf parsley that has been chopped and keep on stirring. Lastly, add the grated parmesan and stir to combine well. And it's done! Enjoy it!